Hello, everyone. Today we are going to review how to use the BBGS, or Brief Biosocial Gambling Screen, outcome measure to collect information about symptoms of problem gambling a client may have experienced within the past 12 months. A yes response to any of the 3 questions indicates a potential gambling-related problem and the need for additional evaluation to determine if a formal diagnosis of problem gambling is appropriate. Before starting this tutorial, make sure that you set up the basics of your TherapyNotes account and that you've enabled the Client Portal and Client Portal document sharing within the Settings section. There are 2 ways to send the BBGS outcome measure to a client, either from the Outcome Measures tab in the library or from the Client's Portal tab. First, let's click Library and then the Outcome Measures tab. Select the BBGS questionnaire. A screen about the BBGS will open, telling you a bit more about the outcome measure itself, as well as a preview of a sample completed questionnaire. Click the Share on Portal button at the bottom of the screen. This will then open a Share Documents on Portal dialog box. Begin typing in the patient field and select the patient's name you want to send the BBGS to. If you'd like to send any custom instructions to the patient, enter them in the Instructions field and they will be sent with the documents you've selected to share. Then simply click the Send Document Request button and you're all set. Another way to send the BBGS to a client is from their Portal tab. First, you will need to click the Patients tab, then select Patient Name, the Portal tab, and then Share Documents button. The Share Documents on Portal box will appear from the drop-down menu. Select Outcome Measures, and then in the Name of document box, begin typing and select BBGS. Add any necessary custom instructions into the instruction field and click the Send Document Request button. Once the document request has been sent, the outcome measure will be listed in the patient's document and portal requests with a pending submission status. If you have any questions, contact us at 215-658-4550 or email us at support@therapynotes.com. As always, our support is free and unlimited 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.